There's a hidden AI system quietly powering some of the most successful faceless YouTube channels, and most creators don't even know it exists. Imagine flipping the switch on a secret engine, propelling your content to heights you never thought possible. It's not about having the shiniest camera or the most advanced editing software. It's deeper than that. Like many others, I used to spend countless hours tweaking equipment, constantly searching for that one elusive gadget that promised to change everything. But after months of creating videos that just didn't hit the mark, it struck me. Tools alone don't create extraordinary results. Systems do. It's the underlying framework, the strategic blueprint that integrates every element of content creation into a seamless flow. This is what powers visibility and growth. The journey to success is about mastering the system. And today, we're about to delve into the secrets of one such powerful strategy. What if I told you the real secret behind today's top faceless YouTube channels isn't a fancy editing tool or some viral trend? It's a silent AI-powered system working behind the scenes, a system most creators have never even heard of. For months, I chased tools, trends, and templates, and still, my videos flopped. Then it hit me. Tools don't build winning channels. The system is the only thing that truly works. You see, it's not about keeping up with the latest gadgets or hopping onto the newest viral wave. It's about understanding how to methodically craft content that not only captures attention, but holds it. Join me as we uncover the hidden framework that's transforming faceless channels into captivated, thriving communities. I'm Gary, and I've spent a considerable amount of time immersed in the world of faceless YouTube channels. After closely observing over 300 creators and channels, I managed to grow my own channel to over 6,000 subscribers. From that base, I successfully built a thriving community of more than 30 paying members each month. This might not seem monumental at first glance, but in a landscape teeming with new faceless guru channels emerging rapidly, achieving such growth in just 6 months stands as a testament to the effectiveness of a structured approach. These successes aren't the product of sheer luck or pricey tools, but rather a deliberate reliance on a proven system, what I now refer to as the Faceless Growth Matrix. It's a strategy that shifts creators from the blunt metrics game to meaningful, sustainable engagement. Welcome to the transformative world of the Faceless Growth Matrix, where the art of content creation evolves into a seamless, high-performance YouTube business. This groundbreaking 7-layer AI framework is your key to automating growth, accelerating monetization, and multiplying your impact, all while maintaining the creative flow of your vision. Imagine each layer as a cog in a meticulously crafted machine, each working in harmony to propel your channel to new heights. At the heart of this matrix lies the niche intelligence core, designed to discover the perfect balance between your passion and market demand. Next, the audience intent mapper allows you to delve into the minds of viewers, ensuring that your content resonates deeply and consistently. The content architecture engine then steps in to structure and design content that's not only appealing, but algorithmically optimized for success. Innovation meets efficiency in the automation-driven production stack, streamlining your workflow while retaining quality. As your content gains traction, the optimization feedback loop continuously refines your approach, enhancing reach and retention. Enter the monetization matrix layer, unlocking revenue streams and amplifying profitability. Finally, the content expansion engine drives scalability, opening pathways to broader audiences and increased impact. Let's take a closer look at each of these dynamic layers. Before diving into the creative process of writing and producing content, the foundation lies in selecting the right niche. The trajectory of a faceless YouTube channel hinges significantly on this decision. Successful creators don't merely chase trends. They identify the sweet spot where demand, profitability, and long-term growth converge. This begins with a demand check. Are the leading videos in your intended niche pulling in over 100,000 views within a few weeks of release? Such metrics indicate robust interest. Next, assess the earning potential. Is this niche aligned with high RPM categories like finance, technology, health, or education? These areas not only attract substantial views, but also offer elevated revenue per mille, or RPM. Consider how versatile the niche is for monetization. Can it accommodate various income streams, such as affiliate marketing, AdSense, digital products, and sponsorships? Once your niche meets these criteria, you are primed for data-driven research. Employ advanced models like ChatGPT or NotebookLM to deconstruct and analyze successful script patterns and hook structures. This isn't about guessing what's effective. It's about understanding and replicating what's already proven. By strategically selecting and validating your niche, you construct a solid foundation upon which your channel can thrive, grow, and ultimately succeed. Unlocking the path to understanding your audience begins with knowing what they are actively seeking. Dive into YouTube's autocomplete feature to uncover trending topics and questions. Explore platforms like Reddit, Quora, and Answer the Public to see real conversations and queries people are engaging in. It's about gathering those keyword clusters which reveal the high-interest questions your audience is eager to have answered. By aligning your content with these intents, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting meaningful connections and positioning each video to resonate deeply, driving higher engagement from the very first view. In this pivotal layer, we harness the transformative power of the content architecture engine, a sophisticated approach that shifts the traditional scriptwriting paradigm into an innovative, more effective methodology. When you move beyond asking, "Write me a YouTube script," you enter the realm of mastering viral potential through meticulously engineered AI prompt systems. The process revolves around a dynamic 3-stage prompt structure designed to reverse engineer how virality unfolds. It all begins with the foundation prompt, where you assume the role of a viral content strategist, specifically for faceless YouTube channels. This mindset is essential for crafting content that resonates deeply and broadly with audiences, setting the stage for exponential growth. Next, you apply the structure prompt. This involves weaving your narrative through proven frameworks, whether educational, moving from problem to agitation, then solution, proof, and finally action, or in storytelling, crafting a journey from hook through conflict, revelation, and resolution. Each pathway smartly guides viewers, turning complex ideas into captivating and understandable content. Finally, the optimization prompt comes into play, fine-tuning the script for improved pacing, enhanced engagement, and visual and emotional impact. By asking the AI to elevate these elements, you transform average scripts into compelling, potentially viral videos, ensuring the content not only informs, but also resonates on an emotional level. Through this carefully constructed architecture, each script you produce becomes more than a narrative. It becomes a strategic vehicle for growth, tailored for the ever-evolving landscape of digital content. In the world of content creation, Layer 4 embodies the heart of efficiency, the automation-driven production stack. It's here that many creators experience the intense demands of scripting, narrating, visualizing, and editing. And often, it's where many falter. But there's a groundbreaking shift employed by top creators that changes the game entirely, as they automate up to 70% of their production process. By weaving smart tools into their workflows, creators transform time-consuming tasks into streamlined operations. AI voiceovers from platforms like 11 Labs or Play.ht provide polished narration, while pre-tagged libraries expedite the search for images and videos. The seamless integration of script-to-scene mapping allows for an organized, methodical approach to content assembly. Automated workflows using tools like Make, N8N, or Zapier eliminate repetitive processes, letting creators focus on what truly matters: creativity and innovation. This automation not only accelerates production time, but also elevates content quality. Even for cinematic or complex videos, the option to outsource editing while retaining creative control ensures that the creator's vision remains intact. Thus, what once absorbed days of hard work now requires mere hours, achieving excellence without burnout. By embracing this smart production layer, creators are empowered to consistently deliver engaging, high-quality content time and again. In the world of faceless YouTube content creation, optimization isn't just a step, it's a cycle, a rhythm. Amateurs may post and hope for the best, but professionals measure, learn, and refine with every upload. After each video hits public space, dive into the data. Study your retention graphs to see where viewers drop off. In today's era, AI tools have become indispensable allies, enabling you to predict outcomes and perfect your process. Embracing this optimization feedback loop paves the way for consistent growth and sustained success, turning every viewer into a repeat visitor. As creators traverse the landscape of YouTube, it's essential to plant seeds in multiple gardens of potential revenue. While AdSense serves as a foundational stream for many, the real art of growth lies in diversifying and expanding income avenues. Imagine tapping into affiliate offers that seamlessly align with your top-performing topics, providing value to your viewers while generating passive income. Consider crafting digital products, such as templates, toolkits, or guides that your audience finds irresistible. These personalized offerings not only establish you as an authority, but also create a loop of engagement and profitability. Courses, newsletters, and memberships can transform your community into a loyal tribe, eager to learn from your expertise. For those seeking a more personal touch, consulting services or micro-agency offers present lucrative opportunities. Here, the delicate touch of AI becomes an invaluable ally. Use AI to dissect viewer interest and unveil the hidden nuances of your audience, paving the way for innovative product ideas. Leverage AI to construct streamlined landing pages and lead generation funnels, allowing you to create once and monetize endlessly. This multi-layered approach transforms your channel into a powerhouse of possibilities, where growth knows no bounds. So, you've created a compelling YouTube video, but why stop there? Let's harness the power of the content expansion engine to explode your reach across platforms. Start by turning your videos into insightful blog posts. This not only caters to a new audience, but also boosts your SEO presence. Consider cutting your content into bite-sized highlights, suitable for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. These snippets capture attention and drive traffic back to your main channel. Furthermore, summarizing your key points into engaging email newsletters keeps your audience informed and connected. Why not package several insights into mini courses or digital downloads, creating additional revenue streams? AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, and Descript can automate much of this, significantly reducing the workload. Remember, more platforms mean more exposure, more engagement, and ultimately, more profit. Expanding your content's reach isn't just an option, it's an essential strategy for growth and success. As you embark on building your Faceless YouTube channel, you'll want a systematic approach to maximize efficiency and results. Let's break it down into clear phases. In Phase 1, the foundation building phase, you start by harnessing the power of the niche intelligence core to thoroughly understand your landscape. Dive deep into an analysis of 10 competitors to uncover the patterns and strategies that are delivering results for them. Next, in Phase 2, we focus on content systemization. Here, you'll implement a robust 3-stage prompt framework. Remember, the key is consistency over perfection. Show up, create, and keep refining. Moving on to Phase 3, production automation. This is where you really streamline your workflow, develop AI voices, curate visual libraries, and automate your editing process to save time and enhance quality. Phase 4, intelligence integration, involves studying retention data closely and refining your scripts and structures with each piece of content. The goal is continuous improvement. Then there's Phase 5, monetization setup. At this stage, you'll launch a single product or offer, carefully chosen based on the topics that have resonated most with your audience. For Phase 6, repurposing, build a system that allows you to transform each video into at least 5 different content formats. Finally, in Phase 7, scaling, batch your production, systemize every possible aspect, delegate tasks, and grow your venture into a true media business. Each phase builds upon the last, setting a strong groundwork for sustainable growth and success. As we wrap up this journey, remember that the path to success as a faceless YouTube creator is not paved with luck, but with strategy and determination. The creators you look up to have mastered a system and maintain a relentless commitment to their craft. If you're tired of trial and error and ready to elevate your game, the Faceless Growth Matrix offers a comprehensive guide to transform your vision into reality. Dive into your program name by clicking the link in the description and secure your spot before the doors close. Your faceless YouTube empire is not just a dream, it's a possibility waiting at your fingertips. If you found value here today, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe for more content like this, and share in the comments what you're planning for your channel next. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pushing forward.